Welcome back to the channel. All of a sudden through England say Jamaica have to pay back for Vybz Kartel legal fees. We are here say now from Turlang that the JLP government is hoping that by 2025 they will remove the British monarchy from being the head of the Jamaican state. Meaning that people will no longer be able to bring any cases to the UK Privy Council because the British monarchy would not be the head of state. Now some people have said this has been in the works for quite some time. Some people have said quite convenient that we are here this as the headlines after recent headlines was that the Jamaican government have got to pay back for Vybz Kartel's legal fees. Now some people are saying with what take place with Jamaica itself, the fact that Caribbean countries are still heavily reliant on overseas countries. The roads in Jamaica are built by people from a different country. The hotel sector, which Jamaican government say is one of the largest contributors to their economy, is controlled by business and companies from other countries. The mining sector is controlled by a company from another country. Some are saying, how is this the primary focus of the state at this time? Some people also say it's almost like the Jamaican government, they don't fit for fully rule the country with all the war going on. Keeping in mind, a jury misconduct took place in a Vybz Kartel trial. Vybz Kartel bring the case to the appeal court. Them they even bring it up. But they don't know if some people realize this. The situation or the scenario that has caused the murder conviction to be quashed happened during the first trial. During a long trial, where did I go on? And that's when the jury misconduct come. That is when the jury foreman bring the information forward. After that, she ended up going to witness protection overseas somewhere. Charges were brought against Livingston Kane. Now, the case was appealed. The appeal court look over the case. How come the appeal court never say the jury misconduct? It take the case and go all the way to England. Lawyers themselves, prosecution themselves, fly out to England. And over there, so the jury misconduct get discovered. See, they know it lead to how much millions being owed to Vybz Kartel, Sean Storm, Kyra and Madsus. Why is it that they want to remove the UK so much? Some people even still believe that the country would be better off if the ties with the UK were stronger. They must say they want to remove the British monarchy. Some people are say things that are better off if you could just go to England now, pay a passport from Jamaica. I mean, I ask the Jamaicans living on the Jamaican island, would you have liked to be able to travel to England with just a passport and an invitation letter? And keep in mind, there are still Caribbean countries we can do this. And if you want a quick example, St. Lucia, but they've never think long. You can go research that for yourself. You can type a thing on Google and search for it with an invitation letter and a valid CARICOM passport. Them can go to England. You have other Caribbean countries too. And no matter where you're here, the state might say are used as justification. None of what take place in the Jamaican economy now and what going on with crime and violence now have nothing to do with the UK and the British monarchy being the head of the Jamaican state. Surprising now, elected officials speak of separation and independence when them get holidays, them spend them holidays internationally. I can't hear them say about 20 million. We hear the tabloids say I could have more than that and never they must spend the money. But when they must say about 20 million the government might owe Vybz Kartel for legal fees. That's what I say I can more than that. But I can't make that make now them attack say. By 2025, them want to remove the UK from being the head of the Jamaican state. Means say, no Governor General. Keep that in mind. No UK, no Governor General. I want that the Governor General know say, at that, the administration approve. Should something like this be something where the people them vote for? If the state has said them do this for the people, because that them claim. The state claim them do this for the betterment of everybody, because them can't do it for themselves. So, what I'm going to say is that them do it for the Jamaican citizens, the Jamaican people. Then shouldn't the Jamaican people be included in the decision? We can't have Parliament and make a big decision like this for the people. Them can voice your opinion, but them can't make the decisions themselves. Just like how them get voting, they sound like something where the people them for vote pan. But I feel like the government for be the ones to make that decision. Just solely them. I feel like the public, the entire Jamaican people, should be a part of this process. Some people might say, well, I never did that now. I went Barbados. What happened to Barbados now have nothing to do with what happened on the Jamaican island. If there must a transparency, make the people them vote. And I make them tell you them now the money to facilitate that. When the country never have no money, local government elections keep. And remember, this no need no campaigning. Designate a day, get the boxes, make the people them vote. The media got it. The media got talk about it. We hear the people must say. And this is no political affiliation. This is not for hide. This can do live. This is not for do behind the curtain. They can do this. A live count can be done. People can go in, vote, and you see number go up. Live. And I could decide that way there. No. Chances are that not going to happen. But look into it though. Why this move? All of a sudden, within a couple months, they must say they want to do this. Just a day after, the headlines are read say, the UK Privy Council not only quashed the murder conviction, but you know, so they have to pay back Vybz Kartel for illegal fees. Now, this was already known to the government, known to the appeal court, known to the attorneys. Isaac Buchanan said this from when him just flying from England. I think this was even said to them before. Or they may have certain copies of the letter before. That letter also circulate on social media now. Same letter, but they may have it already. Long before. I'm not sure you see that circulate now means them just get it. Remember the appeal court said at 2 days after. No, Bert Samuels confirms that 2 days after the appeal court received the physical copy of the letter. Sent directly to them from the UK Privy Council. Them confirms, alright, June 10th, them are going to do the hearing to the last 5 days. And that. So then they know someone for pay about the money. With all the talk we hear about retrial and this and that, he was quite known, say, the money they have to pay back. Talk to me in the comment section, tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel, just a pass through. Click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon, and of course put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and post a share and tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them. So check out the channel, check out the reasoning, and also join the discussion. The comment section up 24/7. No, it never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there, and we can continue the reason via the comment section. Now, of course, I'm going to go now a quick recap. Terlang confirmed that by 2025, the JLP government is planning to remove the UK monarchy from being the head of the Jamaican state. Remove the Governor General. Some people have said this is quite coincidental. just a day after, the letter start to circulate to King Charles in the UK Privy Council. I say the Jamaican government for pay back Vybz Kartel lawyer fees. You know, talk to me in the comment section. Until the reason again, live, love and prosper, and stay tuned.